On the Grom oil change, that is your sump plug there, under the bike. 12mm socket. Stick it on there and turn. Let the oil drain out. Don't spill it like I did. Dispose of oil safely and environmentally friendly. Put the sump plug and a new washer back in and tighten it up. See these two bolts? New filter goes in there. I'm not going to do this time. It's just a 1000 mile oil change. Oil goes in there. 900 millilitres, just under a litre. When you put the oil in, make sure you do the cap up. Finger tight. Start the engine up. If you've made a mistake, it'll probably explode. Sweet as a nut.